Another big, that high, you got to get up over. Okay, straighten out. Try going that way. Come. Okay, hold it there. You see how much? You got lots of clearance. That rock's pretty high. Okay, go that way and come forward. Go that way and come passenger. Keep the... Okay, now straight. Keep going left. Stop. Okay, come ahead. Okay, left. Good to go. Just a little water crossing. Nothing too bad. Crawl right up it. Straight. Straight over it. Okay, second. Let me get back. I don't want to walk in the water here. Okay, you're going to go that way and put 2 tires up in the bank. Okay, left, straight, left. Keep coming. Okay, now hard left. And we're going to go over here a little bit and line up over this. Okay, straight. Okay, wait, I want to check for clearance. Whew, that'd be pretty close. Yeah, or what if we went back straight up about 1.5 feet, then we'll come out this way. Good. Okay, come forward to the left. Okay, keep coming. Okay, hold it. Okay, come forward, keep it right, left, and keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, right, straight ahead. Back left a bit. Okay, left, right, back left, straight ahead. Keep her coming. Okay, hold it. Oh, this is much better now. This is a nice road here. I think you're good. Come on forward. You're clear. Oh, okay, stop. Wowzers, that's a good sized rock we cleared. To get over this one, you're gonna go hard right. Uh-oh. You're just in open, aren't you? Lock her up. Put her back and rock. There you go. There you go. Yep, now come back. Okay. Good to go. Well, this is interesting. Yep, you're good. Keep as much left as you can, though. Now you come right. Yep. You're making it look too easy. Straight through. You can clear this rock.
He's getting any better.
Here, just a minute. Wow. Well, I just got a wet foot. Just a minute. Yeah, go a bit left, but or go straight. Just crawl the rock. Put her. Yeah, just put a rock crawl and crawl over it. There you go. Straight ahead, right across the other rocks. Yeah, that's good. Bring her around left now. Straight. Okay, now go left. Miss that tire there. Yep. Cut her hard left and give her. She'll pull the front end around. Yep, there you go.
Logs okay there?
Oh, you can move it if you want. Yeah. Left, right down, go right over the water, or through the water. No, stay that way. Keep coming. Okay, hard right. Okay, straight, straight, a bit left. A bit more left. Okay, now give her. Come right up it. Come right up it. There you go. Okay, go ahead. You got lots of room. Come left if you want. You got lots of clearance. You're good up this hill, I think. this Fox Mountain. Good sign seeing equipment.
And then 3A. So which is the easier way?
So we're going straight ahead. That's the 3A going down to Aylesford Road that way. Straight ahead here is a campground. Fox Mountain Campground. Didn't have the intention of pre-running it, but there you are.
So, can I go with the campground?
Yeah, go through the campground. Instead, because this just goes down to, either way it goes, but yeah. We made it.